Hey loves! Today we're gonna try out a whole bunch of new stuff. I'm gonna try and use nearly all products that I have not tried before because the last two tutorials have been very e.l.f. and Shop Miss A heavy. And while I'm sure I know there's gonna be an e.l.f. product in here, but we haven't tried this yet. I'm gonna try and mix it up a little bit. You guys know I have my favorite brands that are just super affordable that I love to use, but I am going to try and mix it up a little bit today. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in. I'm sure you saw the look that we're going to create at the beginning of this tutorial. I honestly am not sure because I'm trying new stuff and I didn't really plan this, but sometimes that's my favorite way to just sit down and play with makeup and see what happens. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Let's do this. But we're going to finally try the Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. I have not tried this yet. I'm very excited. By the way, look, I broke a nail. I'm gonna redo my nails tomorrow, I think. I'm excited, but and then this one's chipping, so I'm very aware of how terrible my nails look right now. So how are you guys? How's it going? How you doing? If you haven't tried this is what it looks like. All right, so I've got a little bit. I'm just going to do what I would normally do. And then I have a lot of pores right in here, so I'm going to push it over that. And tap it in. And then, do you guys normally tap it in? I know a lot of you guys love this primer. A lot of you guys were like, try it, try it, try it now. Looks pretty good, pretty good. That was just like a teeny tiny amount too. I hope I like this. Yesterday, I finally tried, I had done it like forever ago. I remember when Wayne Goss said the whole like do your primer and then put a powder on, and then like the whole TikTok viral thing happened and now everyone's doing it again. And I honestly used to do it because I know like, I think one of the videos he talked about it was like keep your nose matte all day or something like that. I don't remember exactly what it was. Don't quote me. It was for probably 2 years ago. I don't even know. But yesterday I took this, what is this? The Becca Set and Refresh powder, the Hydra Mist powder. I love this. Sorry, it's all dirty. You know I like a product when it looks like that. And I set my primer with it, and now I'm gonna with my foundation yesterday. And I used the Revolution Conceal Define. You guys know my ride or die favorite. My skin was smooth. I loved it. So I'm gonna try it again today, but I'm gonna try it with the Poreless, and then we're trying a new foundation. I've never tried this Milani foundation, and I finally picked one up. So we're gonna try that. As you guys said, you love that foundation. So finally, I think that shade's gonna be light enough. We'll see. I love, if you haven't tried this powder and it's in your budget, I would definitely, I love it so much. It feels so cool. It kind of feels like it's cold and wet when it goes on your skin. I'm trying to put too much, and I'm just gonna press it in right over here, especially on the nose. I didn't prime my nose today because my nose has been oily. So we're just gonna set her. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I got mine in 00AA, like a pump and a half in the back of my hand. I'm gonna use my Shop Miss A AOA Beauty Sponge. Wow, I really need to find that new one because she's looking rough. And I'm just going to, I think this shade should be good actually. It's definitely thicker than I thought it was gonna be for some reason, but I guess it's Conceal and Perfect, that makes sense. Looks a little orange on the back of my hand. So, ooh, she is a little orange. I wonder if this one would be better with a brush because I can see the spots that I set it down with the sponge before blending it. So if you guys use this with a brush, let me know if that's how you prefer, or if you prefer a sponge. I really like the coverage. It looks nice. I think I'm gonna keep it at one layer. I actually really like that. My face has been pretty textured. I got a concealer from Milani as well. I haven't heard from very many people. I think the only person I really have heard talk about this is Kathleen Lights. Love her and trust her opinion, and she really liked it as far as I remember. Conceal and Perfect long wear. I decided not to get the very lightest shade because sometimes I do that and now it's like been way too light. Hi Queen. I got Nude Ivory 110. Definitely darker than I normally go. Ooh, this feels like smooth. Probably because I've been using a Shape Tape that's like gone and I just keep using it. Even though I have a new Shape Tape, but I don't know where she went. Ooh. I like it. It's not as full coverage as Shape Tape is, but like it blended out really quickly. Maybe I'll try and add just like a little bit more on my darkest areas. Because you guys know me, I love like a very smooth Flawless under eye, and I've got bags going. I'm gonna put just like the tiniest amount right in here. Shape Tape ruined all concealers for me, I swear. Nothing is ever as good. Why? I still feel like I've just been super like pory right in here. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let me show you the concealer up close real quick. I really like it. It just took that extra like little tiny bit because it's just me being weird and loving full coverage. Okay, I am gonna be super boring and use the same brow product because I'm obsessed with this right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on off camera because this isn't new. You guys have seen me use this a couple times now. So I'm just gonna pop on my brows and be right back. All right, brows on. I have not contoured with this in a little bit, so we are going to pick this guy back up. This is the Sculpt and Glow from Revolution Pro. Is in Savannah Nights. It's one of their darker ones, but it's the most like kind of cool tone, neutral tone to me. I'm gonna use my ColourPop F13. I've definitely oxidized a little bit, but it's not terrible. I feel like with more of a tan, it's gonna be a perfect shade. I just placed a pretty big Revolution order. I'm very excited. It's been a minute since I've been able to. I decided it was time. I'm sure it'll take a minute to get here because all orders are delayed, but I'm still excited. All right, we're finally gonna use the Trendy in Tokyo palette. Oh my goodness, it's all bright. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm excited. How cute is this packaging? Oh, there's a kitten. So cute. I forgot there was a kitten. Something bright. I think I'm thinking purple today. Woo! And I have these really cool, I might do a whole video on these. I don't know if it's Dido or Dido. I don't know. But these are super, look how luxe this packaging is, by the way. This dual intensity eyeshadows. Super excited about those. How fun is this palette? Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't prime my lid. I do that every time. I get too excited and I go right in without priming my lid. Silly me. Okay, we're gonna prime our lids really quick with the cut crease canvas in Halo. It's the white one. Yes, we want this bright. Oh well, we're using a sponge. We'll be fine. I'm not sure which one I want to use of these, so I'm just gonna mix them. This is Tempura and Karaoke. And I haven't set this yet. I'm just going to these are pretty pigmented. Like for a yellow, that looks really nice. It's blending really well. Okay, now we are going to try Trendsetter. Ooh, I'm just putting that right below the yellow one. This brush is the AOA Studio E120. What? E127. Okay, I think we're gonna try Kyoto. This one right here, this dark purple. And this I'm gonna place on the outer corner. That was not near as much pigment as I expected to be. I'm gonna tap in and not tap off. There we go. And just take it right in. I'll blend in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Look at that pigment! Holy crap. I'm gonna mix this purple with a little bit of this pink to lighten it. And I'm just going to kind of blend those edges up and over. Ooh, that really lightened it. Purples are just hard, man. Alright, I'm not impressed with this purple. It's getting patchy as I blend it, but the orange and the yellow so far was really good. This one, if you're willing to just like pack it on, which maybe I can blend and then pack, it's just not, it's getting patchy. I'm sure we can make it work. I'm just, you know, I know purples are hard in general. Everyone says that. When you pack it, it's so much more intense. But you need a blend. I can't do just a pack, man. I have this new palette from Dido. Again, Dido. I really need to find out how you say that. And it's got purple in it. So maybe I'll use a little bit of this purple and see if it works better. We're gonna try, actually I think I want to mix purple and grape because I like how this is a little pinky base, a little more violet. This one is pretty powdery. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but it's blending easier. Yeah, this is, look at this palette. Oh, she's cute. I should use this next time. I really like that mint shade. Azure. Okay, it's definitely patchy still, no matter what I do. So hopefully once I have everything on, I feel like I've been blending this for forever. Let's cut the crease. Let's like cut the crease and keep moving, and maybe I'll put a little bit of black in the outer corner. We'll see. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the cut crease canvas again in Halo to cut my crease a little bit. And for usual, I'm just doing that line along my lash line, and then I look up, and then I just kind of fill that in. Okay, I think before I put on one of these dual intensity shadows, I'm going to layer on a couple of these. This shimmery purple right here, and then I think I'm going to put the shimmery pink, which is anime, further in. Sake. Ooh. Looks kind of cool, just like that. I want under my eye to be pretty bright, so I'm gonna go in with what's left on my hand of that cut crease. Put it under here. Okay, I'm just gonna take the yellows. Just a tiny bit of the purple. I'm gonna mix the purples. That's what I did right here, and it's looking a little bit better. It's being a little smoother. Shimmers always seem to blend easier than mattes. Wow, we are looking terrible. Let's hope we can save this, okay? Let's hope we can. I'm gonna take some more yellow and fit down here. I'm gonna need to bring that back up. That went down way too low. Okay, there's a black in this neon palette, so I'm just gonna do a little bit to try and make this out here work. Maybe I'm gonna probably mix the black and the purple. Tap, 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 tap. And see if that'll help this patchy business. Oh, a little bit. Oh yeah. This is just not what I wanted. Do you see this? Look at this. So pretty. I'm gonna put it over the purple, I think. Actually, I'm just gonna put it all over. I'm just gonna tap it on there. See how it goes. Even out in the outer corner, because she's a mess. I'm gonna take this really light one. This is Ready to Party. Even this packaging, it's just so nice. Like how, what? Oh yeah. When you like really get it in there. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, these are amazing. Because I'm going for a bold wing, I'm going to use the Carity Millennial Ink Liquid Eyeliner. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black, just because this one's really thin and it really will wing it out. But this one's like, boom, bold, instant. Yes, okay, that's going to perfectly cover the really patchy area. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of the Ciate London black liner and just pop it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. All right, so I'm going to pop on some lashes. My favorites lately have been these. They are the Eva. I've worn this guy twice. These do last for multiple uses. These are the Eva Lashes Shot Missé. They're going to be my favorite, so I should get a good shot of them. I just absolutely love these. I wish I had more than one pair. They're currently sold out, but when they're back, I'm gonna order more. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and these guys, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my inner corner highlight because I'm hoping that'll brighten it up. This just feels super dark on my eyeballs right now. But I'm just gonna use my AOA pigment in Orb. And I might actually kind of blend it into the pink. It's so bright. I love it. It's amazing what like just a tiny bit extra brightness in the inner corner does for your eye. It just makes it feel a little more open. I'm gonna stop poking at the eyes for now. Let's do some cheeks and some highlight. I think I want a peachy blush today to kind of tie with a little bit of orange. So we're going to use Peach Bliss from Revolution. And this is the ColourPop F9, my favorite for blush. Then for highlight, we're also going to use Revolution. This is Dare to Die Bold. I have used this a couple times in videos, but I used it yesterday and I just like, ooh, I fell in love with it again. Like, maybe my highlight brush has just run away. We're going to use this guy. It's going to be way more coverage. Okay, for lip, we are going to use the Cashmere Cream from BH Cosmetics. I got this a little while ago from Ulta, and I haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to try it out today. And then for liner, we are going to use the Bella Pierre liner in Cinnamon. Yes. This liner is like, I haven't even had it that long, and I think it's drying out. It's being really terrible. Hopefully that'll be okay. I've gotten some questions about how I make my lips look so much fuller. Watch Snitchery's video. I follow some of what she does by like bringing in the sides, and obviously I overline a little bit, especially on this side because this side of my lip is more straight and this one is more like bowed out. I don't know if it's from my piercing when I had it because my lip was constantly kind of pulled up a little bit. I don't know. So I will underline the bottom lip and then really overline this side to try and make it match this side. I mean, this one's a little bit overlined too, not gonna lie. And then usually if I top it with a gloss, it's not as noticeable. Just play with it, but really bringing in the sides and highlighting. Watch her video. Just watch her video. She's obviously way better at it than I am. Okay, don't hate me. I'm using Salted Caramel from I Heart Revolution. I'm literally obsessed. This and Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough are just... This one's a little bit darker than Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough, but I absolutely love both. And I feel like this just always just kind of brings it all together. Especially because I have that darker lip liner that was kind of chunky. Alright, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. So far, I really like the foundation so much. It's definitely gotten so much darker. It's a little bit orange. I feel like on my viewfinder, it doesn't look near as orange as it does in real life, and I can definitely see that line. So I'm gonna have to do some blending before I film my next video because that's a lot. Really like that concealer. I really like it. It's real good. Palette is kind of hit or miss. I really love the oranges and the yellows and the pinks and like the shimmery ones, but this dark purple was just a dud. It could just be that one that was a dud. I'm not sure. And I did dip into this palette. I feel like we should use this palette in another video. I really was impressed by this. I really want to use like the blues in this palette. That shade right there though, Grape, that I've used a little bit of, is so pretty. I think I'm gonna do a video hauling all of this stuff they sent me because there's some really good stuff in there. And then these little guys are amazing. Amazing. Oh, the lip. I actually really like the lip now. I love this color. I love this color. Yeah, I think it turned out okay. I'm gonna stop rambling. I say that every single time. I'm sorry. All right, I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Don't ever ask anyone why they look so tired. You never want to hear that you look tired, you know? Big boy. Oh, no. Just dropped my favorite blender in the world in the trash. Let's not do that.